What's good? What's good? Good morning from Johannesburg, South Africa, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 20,035. Nice little push, up about 4%. Sitting at market cap of 381 billion. 24-hour volume, 24.6 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we broke this yellow box of resistance that we talked about yesterday. And we broke out of this ascending triangle. So this is quite an impulsive move. So we could be starting our wave 3 within the larger wave 3, the subwave. And this could be your potential wave 1. And right now we're going through the wave 2 pullback. If we take our Fibonacci from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top, usually your wave 2 pullback is going to land in between the 0.5 and the 0.618, which is currently coming in at about 19.7, about 19.5K. We would also be back testing. We'd also be back testing this ascending triangle, which is very typical, and what traders look for is where we've broken out, we come back for a retest and then see that continuation to the upside, and that would also line up with the wave 2 pullback, and we'd be looking for that wave 3. So we can also take a measurement here of our ascending triangle, take it to the point of breakout, and the technical target for the ascending triangle is all the way up at about 20.7K. So we haven't quite met that target just yet. So what we'll do here is we'll drop a little target box. I'm just going to quickly grab my Fibonacci once again, bottom of wave 1 up to the top, and we'll drop in a little box for your pullback target for the wave 2. Typical retracement, the 0.5, the 0.618, but you can come all the way down to the 0.786. As I mentioned in previous videos, a wave 2 pullback can actually retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but typically you want it to bounce off the 0.5, the 0.618, and that also lines up with the support previous level of resistance of our ascending triangle pattern. So if this is our wave 2 pullback, then we can measure our wave 3 to the upside by taking our trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top, down to the bottom of wave 2, depending on where it pulls back to. But let's say it pulls right back to the support of the ascending triangle, then your wave 3 would be a 1.618 extension, would take you all the way up to about 21.8K. Wave 4 pullback, and see that final wave 5 to complete that smaller wave 3 within the larger third wave. As we've been covering here on the channel, here's a wave 1. We went through an ABC correction, so if we see that continuation to the upside here, then we're looking for that larger wave 3 that could take you all the way up to about 25 to 26K for our friend BTC. Now the way to invalidate that is for us to come all the way down and break this wave 1 low. That would invalidate that structure, and then I think you'd be coming down to about 17.6K. But we've been watching that crucial level on the daily, 19.8K. We pushed back above it, which is a strong sign for the bulls. But the question is, can we hold that level? Can we stay above 19.8 and see continuation to the upside? We've been watching this symmetrical triangle pattern. We had this rising wedge. Now I had pulled it from the candle close, so technically we did meet the technical target here. We didn't come all the way down to the wicks here, but there's another pattern to look at. So I'm just going to quickly take this rising wedge out. So you can see we have a beautiful double bottom where we've come down, we've made a bottom. We had resistance, we've come down, we've made a second bottom. So if we can come up and break this neckline, I will give you a breakout target to the upside here. BTC can come up and break, I'm just going to pull this up to the wick here, come up and break about 21.6K. That's when you could see a nice push to the upside. This double bottom that could basically take you all the way up to that wick low, that level that we've been covering here for a potential push up to about 26K. Still a lot of work to do for BTC, but the fact that we broke this level of resistance at about 19.7, we pushed above 19.8. That is a bullish sign in my opinion. So now what the bulls want to see is a retest of this ascending triangle. See a bounce from the yellow box in between 19.7 and about 19.3, preferably right around that 19.7 level. I don't think we want to come back down into this pattern. We see a retest, and then we see the continuation to the upside, and we're looking for that wave 3 to take you all the way up to about almost 23K, about 22.9, 23K. As of right now, we've seen a nice, strong, impulsive move to the upside. We broke key levels of resistance here, so if we can see a bounce from this level, we can see a nice push to the upside for BTC. And of course, many of the alts will follow. That's basically it for this update. Basically, we want to see if we can hold 19.8, the previous bull market high. and see that push to the upside. Let's see if we can break out of this double bottom. Also looks like we may be creating a beautiful ascending triangle, which is a bullish reversal pattern. So we'll have to see what happens. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, I do give my trade signals for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. We recently made some juicy profits here trading Matic, 70% move from our entry, 33% move from our entry for Sol on that previous pump there. So you can get my spot trades, my leverage trades at the $10 membership. Also, we have buy and take profit zones if you're looking to dollar cost average into your altcoin positions. And we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon. And if you want to trade with me, $4,500, sign up to Bybit. That's my favorite exchange for trading. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.